Welcome to TaxTron Web tutorial video series. Today, we will explore Quebec's insurance payable premium and how to claim it. In Quebec, if you didn't have basic prescription drug insurance through a group plan, you are required to contribute to Quebec's public prescription drug insurance by paying a premium when filing your income tax return. To calculate this premium, you need to complete Schedule K. Let's dive into claiming this credit on TaxTron Web. Log into your account and head to the T1 Client section. Open an existing client and select New Return. Make sure you set the province of return to Quebec and choose the correct tax year. Fill out the Personal Information section accurately. Include details like marital status and gender for Quebec province. When asked, did you have basic prescription drug insurance through a group insurance plan in 2023, answer no and proceed by clicking Next. Navigate to the Income section using the left navigation bar. Here, you will find a question: did you work in 2023? Click on this and select the tile labeled T4 and RL1. Fill in all the necessary details in the T4 slips accurately. Make sure you provide all required entries for your employment. Additionally, when prompted, confirm if you received a Quebec Relève 1 for this employment income. If you worked in Quebec, you should have received this form. After confirming, you will notice that most of the data entries will be populated automatically. The only manual entry required might be in Box E. Ensure you input the necessary information accurately to complete this section. Moving forward, on the left navigation bar, locate and click on Provincial Credits. Then, expand the Quebec Credits section and select Premium Payable under the Quebec Prescription Drug Insurance Plan. While completing this section, ensure to respond with a No when prompted with the question: were you a beneficiary under the James Bay and Northern Quebec Agreement or the Northeastern Quebec Agreement? Make sure to indicate this accurately to proceed. Please note these conditions ensures that you are not already covered under a specific insurance plan, which means the payable premium will be calculated based on your income. This step helps ensure an accurate assessment of the premium you owe. To verify the payable Quebec insurance premium, you can download the MRQ record-keeping file. Look for the section titled Premium Payable under the Quebec Prescription Drug Insurance Plan, or specifically Schedule K, within this file. In Part C of the form, you'll find a detailed breakdown of the premium calculation. At the bottom of the screen or section, you'll see the final amount that you're required to pay as your Quebec insurance premium. This breakdown helps ensure transparency and accuracy in understanding how the premium amount is calculated based on your income. That's all for now. Watch our other videos related to Quebec tax credits and follow us on social media.